Para los que creían que esta mierda no iba a ser realidad, váyanse a lavar esa.
Hi Florida Outdoor Adventures, hope you're well, keep adventuring.
Guys, thanks for watching Florida Outdoor Adventures. Look at what's behind me. We own a school bus. It's called Wawaperia. You can follow us on Instagram at Wawaperia. And I also created another YouTube channel. I'm going to leave the link down below. Just for the bus. We're going to convert it into a motorcycle hauler, camping type thing. So please subscribe and check that out. Thanks for watching, guys. So we have the handicap ramp, which we have to modify to fit a motorcycle, at least minimum a Yamaha Super Tenere. So this is the official Wawaperia bus baptism. Okay, we're on our way to pick up my daughter, my beautiful daughter, Little Mama, with Frodo's beautiful daughter. Today's her birthday, and we're gonna surprise her by picking her up on the school bus. Okay, let me see the birthday thing that you made. Beautiful. I wonder if she'll walk towards the bus. Sí.
You said you were being the G.
Happy birthday. You're going to school right now.
I am?
Yeah. Here you go. Welcome. Happy birthday. Ryan, this is Frodo. Did you say hi to Frodo? Frodo's daughter, Nayeli, did you say hi?
Hi.
Wait, she has something special for you. Yeah, come over here.
Oh my god, I love it! I'm putting it on my wall.
First drive on the Wawaperia. It rides like a dream, like a Cadillac sedan DeVille. It's the first drive for me. Yeah. But my friend Frodo, Dick Sunday, Dick Sunday, Frodo, Yuka, Papilu. Anybody else? No. That's it. They went into West Virginia and drove it all the way down to South Florida. 2,000 miles. 2,000 miles, flawless. We're off to a good start. What a lucky bus this is. It could have just been destined to go to South America or I don't know, or keep working, taking kids around. But now it's going to be a party bus. Kids, quiet down. Quiet down. Sit down. Sit down. Okay, so we just did a charcoal run and pick up Little Mama run and a birthday cake run.
Yes.
Is it here? Yeah. It's here, right?
Yeah, here.
We have the VIP section reserved at Markham Park.
Yes.
Thank you, Dick Sunday, for waking up at 7 in the morning to get the spot by the trees and the barbecue grill. We have some picañas. We have sausage, pork, chicken. Es que cuando me echen de mi casa ya sabes dónde me dormir, ¿no? Yo sé. Hey guys.
Yes, sir. I'm scared.
Jimena, ¿te gusta?
El que sabe, sabe.
Cheers.
Tratar de arrancar en tercera no es buena idea.
No. No more 954. No more 305. Now is hashtag 161. Hashtag 161. Yeah. Okay, you're not going to believe this here in South Florida. Must have automatic snow chains. Chains for the tires. I don't know how the hell that works for the snow. Maybe if we drink enough beer,
Yeah, so we're gonna figure out.
Yeah. Perfect. ¿Qué color es? ¿Qué? ¿El blanco? Sí. Sí, ok.
Menos mal, no son negros.
¿Puedo ayudar?
Una palabra, pues.
Para los que creían que esta mierda no iba a ser realidad, váyanse a lavar esa.
Had to walk back a little bit just to take it all in.
Coño, es que, bro, I came there tomorrow. I don't give a shit. I mean, look, la Wawaperia, you can see it.
We have our own
It's not a myth anymore. It's right there.
bus.
Una vaina bien.
Yeah.
Esto que no son las mías porque falta receta secreta y no la traje.
Son mejores que las de Flanagan. No hay comparación.
Yeah. Always save the best one for last.
This guy
Oye, que se cae, huevón. Vamos a llevarlo, agarre ahí.
¿Cómo se va? ¿Cómo se va? No. La gente está re loca.
Hi guys, thank you so much for having me, Alberto and the whole team here at Florida Outdoors Adventures. I'm so proud they put me in this monthly payment.
He says he wants my sticker, but I think it's only to cover the big ass scratch.
Yeah, right? All right, here we go.
You no longer have to pay for tolls anymore.
God bless you, baby. No way, for real?
No more tolls, nothing.
This is like a shot.
¡Cumpleaños feliz! ¡Te deseamos a ti! ¡Cumpleaños, Big Mama! ¡Big Mama! ¡Feliz! Get away from her! Get away from her! Do this. Samurai way.
Thank you, Carlos, for cooking everything. Great job, brother.
Always are welcome.
Thank you, my friend. Bueno, ahorita en Daytona. Máximo, no quería decir nada delante de la gente, pero tú tienes la moto más linda, tú y Miguel. ¿Qué moto esa teneré?
¿Qué? La mejor es la Triunfo.
Guys, thanks for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you like our new Wawaperia school bus. Make sure I'm going to put the link for the Instagram page for the bus and the new YouTube channel just for the bus. So please head on over there and subscribe and follow us. And yeah, until the next video, thanks for watching.